today's video we will learn about brush tool and line tool. So let's get started. First of all, let's learn about the brush tool in MS Paint. So students, now we will learn how we can use the brush tool to draw lines and curves in MS Paint. So, the brush tool is found in the tools group under the home tab. If you click on the drop down arrow under the brush tool, you will find the different brushes that are available in MS Paint. These different brushes gives you different appearance and texture when you draw in the drawing area. For example, the first brush is called the simple brush, second one is the calligraphy brush, and then we have calligraphy brush 2, and then we have airbrush. So these are the different types of brushes that are available in MS Paint, and each brush will have different texture or appearance. For example, let's select this watercolor brush and let's start drawing in MS Paint drawing area. So this is the texture of the watercolor brush. It is very similar to your watercolor. Now let's select this brush. This is the crayon brush, and let's select some other color. See, color 1 is basically the foreground color. Foreground color is the color that you'll be using for your brushes or for your text color or your pencil color, and color 2 is your background color. So right now the background color is white and color 1, that is the foreground color, is black. So let's select the foreground color as orange and then use the crayon brush. So the appearance of crayon brush is very similar to crayon. So this is how you can use different types of brush. Let's use the airbrush tool. So airbrush gives you a very similar texture to the airbrush. So these are the different types of brushes that are available in MS Paint. If you wish to draw using the foreground color, right now the foreground color is white. Let me just click on color 2 and then select any color. For example, if I select the blue color, and now if you wish to draw using the background color, then instead of pressing the left key of your mouse, you will press the right key of your mouse and then drag the mouse pointer. So right now I'm dragging the right key, clicking the right key and dragging my mouse pointer to draw in the drawing area. So if you press the left button and then drag the mouse pointer, it will draw using the color 1. And if you click on the right button and then drag the mouse pointer, it will draw using the color 2. So this is how you can use the different brush tools that are available under the tools group in the home tab. Now let's learn about line tool in MS Paint. Now the line tool is available in the shapes group under the home tab in MS Paint. Line tool is used to draw straight lines. You can also change the thickness of the line or the style of the line. So let us see how we can use the line tool to draw in the drawing area. First of all, click on the line tool present in the shapes group. The first one is the line tool. And now if you press the right button of your mouse and drag the mouse pointer, it will draw a straight line. You can draw the line in whichever direction you wish to and then leave the mouse button. So this will draw a straight line for you. You can always change the direction of the line using the handles at the end of the line. For example, you can always reduce the length of the line or increase the length of the line using the handles present on the right or the left side of the line. Now again, if you wish to use color 2, then you need to press the right button of your mouse and then drag the mouse pointer. So it will draw the line using the color 2. So this is how you can draw a straight line using the line tool. Now, in the size group, if you click on the drop down arrow under the size, from here you can select the thickness of your line. Right now, the second line, the blue color line is selected. So from here you can change the thickness of your line. Now, if you again select the line tool and select a particular thickness of your line and draw a line, the line will be drawn using that particular thickness. So this is how you can change the thickness of the line using the size option. So these are the different types of options that you can use with the line tool. Now you can also change the style of your line. So for changing the style of your line, we click on the drop down arrow next to the outline option, and here you can find the different types of lines, different types of styles of the line. For example, if you select crayon and let's click on color 1 and let's change the color to green, and then let's draw the line, and let me just increase the thickness of the line, so you can clearly see that this line is very similar to the crayon color. Change the color, and then in the outline section select marker and then draw the line. So this line is very similar to your marker. The style of the line is very similar to the marker. Now again you can change the color of the line, and let's select oil and draw the line. So this is very similar to, the style of the line is very similar to the oil. The texture is very similar to oil. Again you can select natural pencil, or let's select watercolor. Let's change the color of our line and let's draw the line. So this line is very similar to the watercolor. So this is how, using the outline option, you can change the style of your line. Using the size option, you can change the thickness of your line. That's all about the line tool. That's all for today's video. Happy learning! Thank you.